Hi, welcome to your membership directory powered by Trakker. Let's take a look around. First, I'm logged in as one of my favorite authors, Jane Austen. She happens to be at the top of the list because the directory is sorted alphabetically by last name. You'll notice that as Jane, I have an extra icon next to my name. This allows me to update my own record whenever it's necessary. By managing this data myself, the Trakker administrator will be assured that my membership record is accurate and complete. I can use the search feature to find my friend Dr. Seuss's contact information. It searches all parts of the record, not just the name. So for instance, both Truman Capote and Ian Fleming run private investigation firms. And both Herman Melville and John Steinbeck have addresses in New York. Or if I want to invite all of the children's book authors over for a dinner party, I can filter by groups. Here I can see the 10 members that belong to the children's group. I can also hide the information from each record that I don't necessarily need to see at the moment. For instance, I can hide information in the groups, additional, email, and phone records from view. Next, I can click this download button to produce a spreadsheet which lists only the 10 children's book authors and their addresses. Just what I needed. What a dinner party that would be. Click on the other contextual help icons for more useful tutorials.